Holy mackerel, look at that bear.
That's a big one. He or she, very good swimmer.
Hey Calvin, let's not get too close.
Don't worry. Oh. No fish, you see. See? You gotta dry off now before you see, it's calm, eh? And what it is, he got no wind, he can't get out of the water, so.
And this is a nice spot right in here.
You're doing good here, Bill.
We indeed are doing good here. So a group of rapids that comes down into the English River. Musky fog. Well, I didn't see a musky this trip. But I did see a couple of black bears. So that's close enough. These rock foundations are really amazing. I think that bluff and that rock formation is really pretty. And that peak rock over there, that's just awesome. There's some rocky outcroppings, and we're way above the trees up here. But we're not above the tree line.